Hi guys, so ako din inyong ipadungog ng akong voice. So naa siya music. So akong tryan. So madabagid siya. So guys, support my page and support my profile this and share this video and subscribe na din. Okay, thank you. So let's go. I love you. God bless. I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I look, I love to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are all this time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes. Cause by now I know that I feel the way that I do. I don't whisper as good as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. There's three words, take a chance and last forever. And I promise that we will always be together till the end of time. Thank you po sa mga panaktiha. So guys, pa-share na lang ng this videos guys para sa dagan sa sila makita sa pinasa. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video and I hope na i-share ninyo. Thank you very much po sa pag-support ninyo. Then, God bless po. Bye-bye!